2020 Hyundai Palisade. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.